Hello and welcome. Now, as you may notice, I have prepared the plane. See, everything's all set up. I want to give you a tour of my little base here of Plains World. I know it's a corny pun. Oh, by the way, if you notice this music disc, listen. Um, that's stupid. Anyways, this is the plane room. See, planes. We have the biplane. No two here. Or any of the new ones. This is a very old map, but I still love it. As you can see, I'm smelting some iron ore. I have no idea why I have iron ore. I don't think I've ever dug in this game, ever mined, but whatever. Ammunition, abbreviated ammo. We have bullets, large bombs, small bombs, napalm. Um, I really want to put this in the jukebox. It won't let me. This is not fair. It's always a crappy jukebox. Oh, hold on. No. Here's the spare parts. None of these work anymore. Oh, and the incinerator. Oh, I love that. Oh, my pet chicken's in here too. Yeah, you have to close the door behind you, or he might get out. No, it took forever to get this to work. Where my chicken go? There we go. Even though you broke my heart and killed me and tore me to pieces, where'd my chicken go? I don't know. By the way, you should check out RIS. What? I can't not want my chicken to fall. And also, this is underwater, so this was a huge pain to build. Because first I built it, then I installed the halfstone, which I should probably replace with slabs. Haha, fat chance. Oh, speaking of which, haha, I have cake. My love, sliding like you, Is everyone ready? Let's do this. Yeah, I'd kill my wave portal companion creature. That's how you fire left control. Oh crap. Maiden voyage, and she's probably going to get killed. Uh-oh. That's not good. Anyways, why am I so serious? Uh-oh. What just happened? I think I accidentally dropped a bomb. Whatever. Oh, and whenever... No, it was a creeper. Dang it. But you press C to drop bombs. I really wanted to demonstrate, but look up RIS and they basically have everything except the anti-aircraft turrets. Actually, they do have that in later episodes. Go watch them, like, subscribe, do all that junk. Ooh, cool, I gotta remember that. Whatever. Oh, and that'll eventually freeze. Hey, have you ever heard the Metallica song Trapped Under Ice? It's a good song. I really like that. And if you join the RIS server, tell them that I recommended you, and I just might show you my other skin, which will either make you laugh or traumatize you, because it's a naked skin. It's kinda creepy. Well, actually, I'm showcase all my new skin there, so... Squid! Yes, I am referencing Derpcraft. It's just hilarious. Okay, I'm gonna kill them. I want their ink sacs. To battle! War is coming, with all its glory and all its horror. That is a StarCraft reference, just so you know. Now, that's gotta freak me out. That's a derp. I'm on hard. Anyways, I think this is a good place to end it. Subscribe and you might be able to get to see me drop a bomb on a city. Maybe some palm. Nah, that's not good. Anyways,